So I bet you wonder what I am doing. I just by chance actually found out that starting February 26, 2025, the download and transfer via USB option will no longer be available. This is for Kindle books from Amazon. They're not going to allow us to download our books anymore and then transfer them via USB to another device. You'll be able to send them to your Wi-Fi enabled devices by delivering or removing them, but they're getting rid of this option to be able to download the files. And the only reason I can figure that they're doing this is because they are trying to keep us from accessing our books. I think some people have been able to download these, remove the digital rights management, move them to another device, which, that's, whatever option you want to do, convert these to an EPUB format, whatever you want to do. But to me, the idea that I will not be able to download these files, we've always been able to download these. All right. We've always had that ability to do this. Um, it's okay. Here we go. I'm in the middle of doing this. So what you have to do is you also have to select a Kindle. There's no way to do this for all of them. So I mean, I have a few hundred books here. All right. And now I'm just getting this notification. Today is the 19th of February. So I've only got what, like 9 days to go here? 7 days to go. So all these books, let's see. Okay, some of these were digital library loans because I did, that's the other thing too. I've been able to, borrow these books online. So the thing is, like some people may say, well, I don't really care, but now you're going to get locked into the Amazon ecosystem, this Kindle ecosystem, and you're not going to have the ability to, I figure I bought these books, I've spent hundreds of dollars on these books. If I so choose that I want to display, right, view these on another device, a Kobo, whatever, Kobo device, some other device, um, and do that, that should be my ability. I should have the ability to do that. I shouldn't be restricted. So, my only advice right now, I'm a little bit hot about it because I actually just found out about this today. There was no email, no warning, no notification. I think Amazon is just afraid that people are going to move away from their Kindle books. And I'll be honest with you, I'm never buying another book from Kindle. Had they said going forward from February 25th, you're no longer going to be able to do this, um, then okay, great. I'll still never buy your books again, but at least when I bought these books that I've bought over the last how many years, I bought these under the understanding that these were my books and that I could do what I wanted to do with them and view them on what I want to view them on. This is really, really not cool. And I don't even know if this is totally legal for them to be doing stuff like this. But anyhow, I just wanted to share this that if you do have a lot of these books, I suggest you start downloading them now, before you run out of time. I'm actually going to run out of time here in the next 7 days if I don't get this done. Let's see, samples don't count. So if you have samples or borrowed books, I do have some books in here that were just sample downloads. Those don't apply. The other thing too is whenever you do this, you have to do them each one at a time. You have to select the Kindle that you would plan on transferring these to. And then my understanding is you need to get the serial number from that Kindle. So I do have an older Kindle device that I still use, and so I'm selecting that one. I would suggest you select the same one all the way through to make it simple, and then get that serial number. And then I am going to do my own research as far as going in and figuring out how to convert these to a Kobo or another reading device, that I can still read these on. Okay, there's another book here. Let's see here. What is the download and transfer? Here we go. It's very time consuming. There's no way to do this. And I think that's the other thing too. They purposely made this so difficult. All right, let's see here. I think I accidentally skipped this Linux book here. Oh, that Linux book was a sample, so I can't download that. So I'm trying to be careful. Let's see, I don't even remember. I'm kind of going out of order here now. I'm forgetting if I downloaded this book. All right, I did not download that book. Here's another book. You know, a lot of these books I haven't actually even read yet either, but tell me what you guys' thoughts are. Tell me if you even knew about this. This I wasn't even planning on doing a video today about this, and then this just came up, and I thought, you know, this does fall under technology, obviously. So I am going to figure out at some point here how to convert these files over when I'm done, and I'm pretty much saying goodbye to the Kindle ecosystem after this. So I'm gonna stop rambling for now, but please go in to your account. All right, let's see. The Prince is the last book I did. I suggest you go in and look under your content library. It's in the content library here. And then under that content library, you're going to be able to go in and download these books, but you've only got until starting the 26th. So I guess that means you have through the 25th to do this. So get to it, guys. I will see you later.